So my name's Leon Miller, and I work at the Shoshone Learning Center. And my job is the academic head. And so I get to lead academics in the building by teaching small groups, so one-on-one instruction. I feel like there's a lot of times when people are like, where do you work? And I'm like, the Shoshone Learning Center. And they're like, what's that? I'm like, it's the high school. And they're like, we have more than one high school? And I'm like, absolutely we do. We have an alternative high. And then it leads into conversations about what the alternative high is.
I am Lisa Barris, and I'm the administrative assistant here at the Shoshone Learning Center. The Shoshone Learning Center to me is an alternative space for students to come to and to get their education. I love the fact with our school, we're basically kind of like a family. And so we're a smaller setting, a smaller school.
The approach here at the SLC is different than a traditional high school because we look at the whole child. We're not just looking at their academics, we're looking at their home life, their emotional life, and just how they interact with other people. We usually make an individualized plan based on all those factors.
I'm Shannon Blackmore. It opened in January of 2001, and it just kind of exploded in population and need around 2005. I have seen over the years of being at the SLC that offering an alternative school setting, it brings hope to students and families who felt like nothing was working.
My name is Gracie Kolasny. A long time ago, I dropped out of 7th grade. And after hearing about the SLC, I just figured, why not? The moment I walked through the door, it was different. I got to learn more about Miss Blackmore and sit down, and after talking to her, I came to really like it. Everyone's family here. So it's motivation to come to school like this.
It truly is like the way they approach academics and the brain. But along with that, it's the teachers just go above and beyond to work with what's best with you. Ms. Blackmore, she's able to somehow help me get academics done in a way no other teacher has been able to help me lock in. With work experience, it's helped significantly because I'm still able to get these credits. I'm still able to work full time. It's helped me nourish my interests and my hobbies by a fair amount actually, because we do have the system where we can take 10-minute breaks, and they allow me to bring my guitar, so I'll just bring my guitar, take a 10-minute break.
So we have an application process to come here because our resources are limited. When our committee looks at applicants, we're not looking for any one characteristic in particular. What makes a great SLC student is someone who has recognized that the traditional school setting isn't working. We have public meetings once a month where anyone can come and listen about the program, and if they're looking to seek enrollment or get an application, it starts with attending our public meeting and hearing about our program. But I love that the district supports us in creating just something unique for students that are looking for a non-traditional avenue to get to their diploma.
But it's so fun to watch their excitement as they grow and as they can complete courses and see that this is possible. They can graduate. I remember one student in particular never thought he was going to graduate, and then actually spoke at our graduation. And just hearing those stories and seeing that makes me proud.